Recommendation GST Council recommendation a group of ministry GOM of life and health insurance rating GST and existing GOM a date of rationalization to submit the report by end of October 24. GST Council also recommends a format of GOM to study the future of composition system. GST Council recommendation to examine the supply of research and development services by government of entity and research association, university, college, and institution notified section 35 Income Tax Act using government of private grant. GST Council recommendation reduction GST rates of cancer drug and trastuzumab deruxtecan and osimertinib and durvalumab is 12 to 15%. GST Council recommendation out of pilot to B2CE version. So 54th GST Council meeting of chairmen of Union India. Hmm. Changes and clarification GST taxation. Namkeens and includes extent of sovereign food products. GST rate of extruded or expanded products and savory and salted other unfined and unfocused SAP package, whatever name called, manufacture those products extruded. Falling under HS 1904 9030 to reduce from 18% 12% power of namkeens, baju mixtures, chabina, pre-packed label, and similar edible presentation ready for consumption form, which is classified under H 2105 GST at a 5% to continue to unfried and uncooked snack pellets, whatever name called, manufactured through process of extraction. Okay. To clarify the reduction of rate of 12% on extruded or export products of savory and salted other than unfried, uncooked snack pellets, whichever may call manufacture the process of extruding falling under 1905 is available prospectively. Cancer drugs, GST rate of cancer drugs, namely trastuzumab and deruxtecan, osimertinib, and durvalumab are to reduce 12% to 5%. Metal scrap reversed as mechanism to be introduced on supply of metal scraps to the unregistered person to registered person. Provided that the supplier shall take registration as and when it crosses threshold limit and the register recipient who is liable to pay and the RCM shall pay tax even supplier is under threshold. So unregistered need to pay threshold. The TDS of 2% is to be applicable on supply of Madagascar back or by a registered person to B2B supply and a roof mounting a mounted package unit RMPF air conditioned machines for railways. The clarified roof mounted package unit air conditioned machines for railway would be classified under HSM 8415 attracting GST 28% car and motorcycle sets. To clarify the car sets to clarify the car sets of classify under 1901 attracting GST rate at 18 percentage GST rate on car seat to be 190 increase from 18 to 28% uniform rate 28% applicable to prospective all car seat motor cars and according to bringing RCT to seat motorcycles which already attract the rate of 28% services. Life and health insurance. General life insurance constitute group of ministers GOM is holistically look into the issue of pertaining GST on the life insurance and health insurance. GOM group of insurance members, ministers are member of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka, Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Meghalaya, Goa, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Gujarat submit the report end of October 24. Transport of passengers by helicopter. 25 GST 5% of transport of passengers by helicopter on a seat charge basis on regularized GST on pass services as warranty basis. To clarify, charter of helicopter will continue to attack 18%. Charter of helicopter attack 20%. Flying training courses. To clarify, the way of circular to approve the flying training courses conducted by DGCA approved flying training organizations are exempt from the FGS. Supply of research and transport development service. A GST Council recommendation to exempt supply. GST Council recommendation to exempt supply of research and development services by its government facility under survey and research organization, university, college, and other institution notified under the class 2 and 3 of section 1 of 35 income tax 1935 and government and private lands. The past demands to regularize asset where it is to clarify the location of preferential location charges paid along with the consideration for the construction of services for residential complex and industrial complex before issuance of completion certificate form part of composite supply or a supply of construction service main service and PLA is naturally bundled in which are eligible for same tax treatment as same supply construction supply. The affiliation clarify the affiliation services provided by the education board like CBSE starts actually of the exempted affiliation service provided by the state education and the central education board, education council, are similar places and bodies that can government school prospectively. This issue for the past period between the 1770 to 1760 was regular as well as species. To clarify the way of circular the affiliation services provided by the university to the constituent college are not